At Blue Box, we solve big problems with simple solutions. Our core innovation restores heat transfer coils in commercial HVAC systems, a challenge that's persisted for over 100 years. Blue Box helps buildings reduce energy consumption and carbon emissions while significantly improving indoor air quality. Our solution is enzyme-based, odorless, non-corrosive, and highly effective. Using our patented process, we inject enzymes into coils, leveraging the HVAC system's airflow to penetrate any coil depth. This allows us to fully restore coils to like-new condition without equipment downtime or disrupting operations. Blue Box is trusted in hospitals, schools, commercial real estate, data centers, and manufacturing facilities, transforming how buildings operate while benefiting the environment.